Blacksite kiss. Elevator drops where the cameras don't see. Level -7 with the file on me. Black gloves sliding over cold steel. Truth, I came dressed sharp with the target to remove. A lipstick mirror password on my tongue. Sirens sleeping while the night stays young. They built a fortress out of secrets and lies, but every locked room opens when I smile with my eyes. They said get in clean, they said don't miss. Leave no heartbeat, leave no witness. But I move like perfume through a room full of knives. One pretty mistake and the whole place dies. Give me a blacksite kiss in the dark where the secrets live. One little taste of danger on my lips, then I vanish with the evidence. Give me a blacksite kiss, no mercy in the red abyss. Sweet like sin, cold like this. You'll remember me as a blacksite kiss. As a blacksite kiss. Security lights paint my shadow in red. Every step closer to the words they never said. Briefcase open, diamond coated drive. One false move and nobody leaves alive. I hear boots running down the concrete hall. My reflection smiles in the bulletproof wall. They thought they'd bury truth where no one would dig, but I brought a match and a beautiful rig. They said stay calm, they said don't feel. Cut the power, break the seal. But I was made for pressure, for the countdown glow. And I look like heaven when I'm letting hell go. Give me a blacksite kiss in the dark where the secrets live. One little taste of danger on my lips, then I vanish with the evidence. Give me a blacksite kiss, no mercy in the red abyss. Sweet like sin, cold like this. You'll remember me as a blacksite kiss. As a blacksite kiss. No roses in the bunker, no angels underground. Just a name in the system that I came to burn down. No love in the signal, no truth in the code. Just one last transmission before I explode. I don't pray for forgiveness, I don't beg for a sign. I leave lipstick on the wreckage and the mission is mine. Black gloves, red light, locked door, long night. No trace, no miss, one shot, black sight.